I might be streaming. I don't have my... Hold up. Be kind of BRB. Alright, so now I should be able to get my phone. YouTube. It has stuff happening here. I should probably change the description. But I should say that I'm streaming. Somewhere, maybe, hopefully. There it is. Alright. Time to see if this works. I'm running on a completely different OS right now, so... You know, I gotta check if this works. Alright. So the audio seems to be working. And the quality is readable, hopefully. But, yeah, this seems fine. An error occurred during this playback. I'm gonna reload it, mate. Is it okay to reload? Is it gonna crash my stream? Playback ID. Whatever. It's fine. I can see it on my phone. It seems to be fine. My mouse movement seems to be translating to the game. See how this looks in the game. Give me a second. Ah, my fucking chair. Ow. Okay. Sorry, my legs. See. What does this look like? Boy, oh boy. Okay. Not bad. Not horrid. Compared to before, and considering the bitrate is way lower than it used to be, this is looking okay. I'm using AV1 encoding now, so it should look better, hopefully. Not 100% on that, so... Also, I need my chat open on my phone. And I closed it, because I'm so smart, and this is brain. Alrighty. So, let's see. Hopefully now the game looks okay and like sounds okay, etc., etc. Godot is older than I am. That's interesting. Okay, so I've added a couple of things since last stream, including rock, more rock, and more rock. I tweaked the lighting a little bit, and I did play around with the moon lighting system. The nighttime environment versus the outside environment. I kind of like it. I also set up the water a little bit better. It looks a little bit better, and now the water can move. So in the game, it'll do this, but a lot faster. Now I didn't set anything up for when it hits 1,000. You know, I'm just kind of praying that because you can't. Oh, you can. Well, you know, I'll just let it keep going. If you choose to stand here for however long it takes for this to break, that's on you. I did notice, however, while walking back here, that you can kind of see these trees. You can kind of see that these trees are definitely not where they're meant to be. I think glowing them, like this should be fine. You shouldn't notice. Yeah. It just looks like the trees grow from the ocean. Like you can't. Yeah, they're in the ocean. The transparency effect, however, I don't like. Well, I do, but like, it needs more of like this. This doesn't look transparent. It looks transparent up to here. I want it to look more transparent, so I think I'm just gonna take the roughness down. Not anymore. A little bit though. Maybe the refraction. The alpha. I'm so smart. Okay, that's a lot. I wouldn't. I don't want to say a lot better. It's a little better. How about this? How about like a deeper blue as well? Yeah, more watery blue. How does that look? No, it doesn't look like what it kind of does. Kind of doesn't. How's the cord looking? Yeah, my hand. Ow. I'm so bad at everything. Hey, you can actually kind of read what's happening. That's kind of nice. Anyway. Whew. What was I gonna say? Yep. So you need less transparency, more color depth. When you're underwater, this should work. This will work. Hopefully. Probably. Maybe. I haven't put the rocks in here yet. Then we have the mine entrance, which is definitely where I popped off in terms of level design, except for behind you, and over this little ledge. So I need to fix the this bit right here, the collider that's letting you climb over it. Now I can't. I hide the trees for now, and I hide the rocks. And we look at the colliders that are keeping you in here. There should be that one, this one. So this one is there. I need it to be like there, because what I need to stop is you climbing over this. Like just there, I guess should work. Maybe. Possibly. I don't know. Can you see this? No, you can't. I have to go into here. Select about this, and then scale it up. Because I don't want to do that, I'm going to set up a new element. New window capture. Specifically for the game. Debug, and then this one can be set to the game. There you go. So now I can scale this one up. Bam. And then it's going to immediately break again when I do this. It's not. It stays. Yo. Kinda. Oh no, it really. I'm really confused. I think I broke something. This is definitely not how it's supposed to work, but it's fine. Deal with it. Oh no, am I too loud? Wait. Okay, there we go. So you can see, yep. I also learned that you can animate the background, so I might do that at some point. Also, hopefully you guys can see like the little light ray thing that's happening. Maybe. Also, I hope you guys appreciate the little shadow I did for the really annoying watermark that I'm literally just putting there. To remind people that it is a development build. I could make it way smaller, I think. Maybe? Maybe. But hey, it exists. I need to fix LODs on the floor, I think. Because the floor shouldn't have LODs. But like when you jump in some places, the entire floor just kind of like does that. Like you see that? Right there. The floor shifts. So that's the list of things I gotta fix. Is it closed? Okay, it was closed. I'm crazy, don't worry about it. So this is that. The watermark is there. There. Yep. I'm gonna see if I can scale it down further. That's readable, I guess. 12? Yeah, 12. Sorry, 12's okay. Bop. 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 Just move it a little bit off the center. There you go. Now it should be less intrusive, obtrusive. I can English. Texturact. Fast noise light. I don't know why it's so small scale. Never mind, I understand. Oh, it's not. In 3D space. Ooh. Now, actually, I've actually fucked around. I've actually played around with this a little bit. And you can make filters like this, which look really cool while moving. And if I take this value, tinge it more blue, not too blue, but like a little bit blue, little bit blue, and then we meaning I make it look crunchier. Scale it down. Scale it down? No, scale it up. Scale like that. I like that scale. Now here's the thing. You can definitely see the pattern when they're moving. So I think it would be a little bit better if the resolution was higher. Why is it like this? Whatever. What's the resolution of the screen? I'm just gonna set it to that. 640 by 360. 640 by 360. Now I can just crank this to an embiggenment size. Oh, is that why I didn't? Oh, that's why I didn't do that. Okay. That's why I divided by 4. That's why I got quadrants. Gotcha. Oh, because my... From the sounds my computer's making, this is a hefty price to pay. I'm gonna play test it like this. There you go. That's okay. That definitely looks okay. Ignoring all the placeholder fonts and stuff. There is a little bit of lag. You notice that like dropped frames for a second. That might be because I'm screen recording as well. Possibly. Maybe. I like this game. It looks pretty. It looks pretty somewhat. It can be a little chuggy, I think, sometimes. And I think... Interesting. Alright, so... Metal, rock. Rock. I'm really braining right now, for real, for real. Kind of want to fix that, but like, also maybe whatever this splotch is. But it looks fine. Everything looks fine. You also have the this animation, which is pretty based, not gonna lie. Just rolling down there, and then explosion. I do feel like I could make the explosion a bit more intense if I grab the mine. What? Hello? Minecart. UV particles. Which one's this one? Okay, that one. I feel like we could do like 128. It's a little bit more velocity. A little bit more minimum velocity. See, that would go hard. Like, I feel like that would go pretty hard. Also, if I just enable the environment real quick, you can see that you can't actually see the minecart. It just kind of goes in there and then disappears. So that would add a bit of an effect. Also, I can have this specific animation trigger right here. Trigger an export variable here that will send a signal to the player. Yeah. I can make an export variable on the player called explosion screen shake. Bool variable? Yeah, that way I can change. Yeah, sure. So if it's true, shake the screen. Right? Also, isn't there, if I go into the camera real quick, aren't there ways to, yeah, you can offset this. So I can, like, really just shake this shit up. Which should give this, effect of screen shake without me actually needing to move the camera. My English is pathetic. Alright, so. Okay. If what I need is camera, move this angle, this is okay. If explosion SS true, it's true. If you want screen shake, how about I just like should I like just snap it to the area? What would that look like? Okay. Cam dot h offset equal rand f range from like -3 to 3.0. And then cam dot v offset random range -3 3.0, and then else if it's true, shake else cam dot h offset equal lerp cam dot h. That I feel like there's a way to like simplify this down. I'm just gonna go like this because it's what I know. to 0.0 at like 0.5 per thing, and then same with the V offset. So basically, if it's not shaking, it's going to go back to normal. Otherwise, it's going to shake. It's in my entrance area. I can probably just press play and it'll work. That's good. Okay. What's happening here? I don't know. Bad. Oh, I didn't set up to work at all. Okay. In the animation player, take that variable. Yep. Animation player. That variable. Yeah. Create. Then when the explosion happens, when the explosion happens, set it to yes. Make it happen, and then no. So what? Yeah. Okay. I don't know what that. Nothing. Bam, and then it should start lerping away. But go look at that. You guys couldn't see it. Couldn't see the preview. Oh, you could see the preview. Could you? Oh, you could. That's okay. That works. Then if I do this in full screen, or like do this, I guess, in full screen, then have a look, and it doesn't work quite well. But it's fine. Yay! Okay. So now if you walk over here, nudge this. I understood. I'm gonna try 1 meter, and do it with a thing of like 2.5. Hopefully that's better. Holy crap. Oh, I didn't actually full screen it. Give me a sec. There you go. Where I'm going. Okay. So now we nudge and we pray. That was good. It was still a little extreme. I want to tweak it down, but like, way better than before. So I'm gonna say to like 0.5. We're getting the right spot. 5. And we can have like the post moment be like a little bit more delayed. Like post explosion, we can have it slowly transition back to the normal space. Right, so if I just go ahead and nudge this. Yo, that kind of works. And then you can't go back in here or trigger it again or anything. No, okay. Yo, you know what? That works. That works. And now, when you drown, I can use the exact same feature. But yeah, no, this is I feel like a pretty good implementation. Also because it means that like you cannot predict this. This is a random generated number. So hopefully that works well. I was gonna say something. My brain is head empty. My what? My head empty. Head empty. Head empty. Freezing rocks back. Bam. Alright, I also want to add like a... I want to add like a shrub or a bush. Also, I want you to stop seeing over this. You can't see this. This is what you see. Not that. This. Hopefully. Should probably test that. Right? Does that work? Yep. Now, can I climb up on this? Before, I could glimpse over it, and it was pretty bad. Okay, now I can't. So you can still... no, you really can't. You can't tell that there's, like, nothing there. Like, yes, this feels a little weird to be, like, specifically coved in around this area, while everything back there seems perfectly fine. But, like, it's not that bad. Also, the closer you get to this, like, the more you see it, it's like, oh, damn, that's a big hill. Then you go up. Boom. I like it. That was fun. I could make it lerp smoothly between those, like, bits, but it wouldn't feel as explosion-y, you know? Also, that, Okay, I think I know what's happening. The sun split distance is a little bit too close. Put it to 0.2. Because the resolution is pretty similar. Also, the blend start and I don't know. I do feel like the max distance is a little bit... Like, that max distance is fine. I think. I might need to add a bit more detail. I'm noticing. Because if I disable SSAO real quick, like, this is a very not detailed, like, mesh. If I disable the environment, like, there is detail to be seen, but not much. And if I display unshaded, maybe with environment, with normal, like, you see, like, the metal, it's extremely shiny. Then go to the track. If we go to the metal on the track, I might want to add a noise texture to it. So it should mix between normal white, that sounds racist, the normal color of tracks, and like a kind of brown tinted thing. That looks better. That looks like it's actually rusted for like 5 seconds. It's very high res though. I want to put it to like 128, I think. Make a seamless map. And crunch up the amount detail. Turn that down. I want to be able to smell the pixels. That's my goal. I can see the pixels, I can't quite smell the pixels. Gonna go a little bit lower. I wish I could light it up better. That's almost good. There we go. Now it looks like an actually shitty rail. Now this looks too high resolution. What is happening? Like, this is being used in everything, right? This is being used in the trees and stuff. If I make unique, and then I take the UV one and I just turn it down. So it's more like that. See, that looks like it fits the style. That looks like it fits. Same with the track. I think I'm gonna make this one, not that one. Make this one unique. Take the UV1, and then just turn it down a little bit. There's no sun hitting this at all, whatsoever. Just without the environment, it's fine. So we turn it down. Maybe I can also make it brighter. Possible? No. Never mind. Never mind, I can. This might need to be also. No. Made unique. And this specifically might need to be made unique, so I can turn up the brightness on these things without worrying too much. Hopefully that worked. That did work. These tracks look way brighter now. That's the roughness. That's snow on the ground. I've clicked everything except for what I need to click. Okay. So for this, I'm still gonna keep it dark in some spots. But now at least it has patches of lighter spots. Possibly ones that I might have to turn down the UV on. That looks good. That looks old and rusted. And this just looks old. Not that old, but old. Enough. This tree looks fine. Yeah, it looks fine. It's fine. Okay. So this looks good, technically. It works. It needs to be set back up. And now I need to set up the exit volume. Like exit collider. So what's this? Static body, collisions. Okay, I don't need those. I need a box right here. So when you do knock the thing over and go, oh shit, I need to turn back. You turn back, there should be a collider here. Area 3D. Collision shape. Bop, bop. Yeah, gizmos. Okay, so now what did I do? What? Huh? Okay, there we go. So now I turn this into. I can't English, fuck's sake. I make this bigger. That's what I'm gonna say. Where's the collider that's stopping me from leaving? Oh, this is this. It's up here. I can barely see it. I literally can't see it. I need to hide the trees and shit. Still, okay, there we go. It's up here. That's not there. Okay. So if you enter this area, and you have knocked over the minecart. Okay, we have the variable called A, which is already being used to stop the animation from looping. So we just use that. So now we send over body entered to this. No, don't do that. Don't do that. Disconnect. Where's this area? That area. I'm gonna rename this to leaving area. So now I can say body entered, connect on leaving area body entered. If a equal true. So basically, animation has played, and you have regretted your actions. You enter this area, and it should. You have a loading screen, right? Again, I've been working on a lot of projects. I can't remember which one this is. You enter. If it's player, emit player fade out. Await second, get tree call deferred, change these to file. Okay, that's not doing it. Okay. Show. Yeah, if body is body dot is in group player. I did not need to English is such a language. Such an English language. So English. Okay. Think. In player group, you want to emit signal. Signal. Fade out. Do we have like an agreed on signal for everything? Play fade out. What's fade out? Hey, yeah, I need to play fade out. Okay, fade out. Mine entrance, bat. No. Play fade out. My voice is dying. Ah, okay. Play fade out. What does it do when I press? Okay, fade out. If I take this, on walking to mine, play fade out. Play fade out. Mine entrance. Mine entrance. Emit signal. Ah, play fade out. Play fade out, and then hook this up to the player. Connect. I could hook this up to the same thing, which would be the most logical and smart thing to do. But for the sake of my reading ability, I'm just gonna put it there. It'll work. It'll work exactly the same, but yeah. Where's the... Oh, this is the entrance. Okay. It'll play fade out. It'll await get tree create timer for 1 second, timeout. Then it'll call deferred. Get tree, yeah, get tree call deferred. Call deferred. What is it kind of? Yeah, change scene to file. Change scene to file. And what's the scene? Mine. Walking to mine. That's the one. Assets, imports. Nope. Levels. I'm confused. Campsite world. Menu. Walking to mine. Of course. Of course. Clearly. Okay, there we go. So this should all work. And basically what it should do is if I do this, go ahead and walk into the area, nothing happens. But if I decide to knock this over, bam. And then walk into this area, fade out, bam. Now, I should also set up a main signal. Going back, yep. It should also set going back to be true. Main dot going back equals true. Equals. Set it to be true. Walking to mine. Die. Walls, meshes, floor, trees. Ready, day, else. Okay, if walking to main.day. Yeah, it'll still be day. But on ready, the player position should be different. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to place 2 markers in the correct places. You can see this, right? Yeah. I'm gonna place markers where you should spawn. So for right now, you're gonna be spawning right here. So under here, I'll just add a marker 3D in that exact location. You were facing the wrong rotation, but I think you can change the rotation, the spawn rotation, right? And initial angle of rotation, yep, 138. So what I can do is I can just set up this right there, and I can just say spawn A, and then set up spawn B, and just set that up on this end, so over here. So now if I enable this and the grass patches, not the grass patches, this right here, and then I say about over here, because my god, do the trees have collision? Alright, where's walls? The walls are at the edges. Where's the collider? Where is the collider? Okay, so that's what this collision. This is a really hard to see collision shape. Okay. Okay, here we go. I see it. So we want to set them up in this kind of area. So spawn B should be like there, maybe a little bit there, a little bit further that way. Okay. So they should spawn like right here. Yep. And then like facing a different direction. So on ready, if main dot going back, it's true. If you are going back, do I have player? No, I don't. Can I export? Yeah, I can export variable player. Character body 3D. And I can just chuck the oh, pass. Go assign player. Okay. Now the player, you could say player dot position, global position equals spawn. I didn't. Okay. Export variable spawn points. Array. No, I'll just list spawn A and B. Spawn A marker 3D and export variable spawn B marker 3D. Okay, there we go. So now we've set both those up. We can set this one to be spawn B dot global position. Neat, thanks. Right, yep. So this should work. And I can change this value from here. So if it's false, if it's not going that way, player dot global position equal spawn A dot global position. Looks like a lot of math. It's really, I don't think so. It's not that much math. It's more logical, like logical as in like computer logical thinking. You just have to remember what types of numbers they are, and you're fine. But yeah, like I have no idea what 138 actually is. I just know that for what I need, it works. Yeah. So, wait, I can set the rotation to 0. Oh no. Is my stream down? Did my stream go down? So what you going for with the game? Like a very. I was planning for a very small horror gamey kind of thing. Kind of. In like a snowy forest. I like snowy forests. I like snow and forests. So yeah. Player dot angle. How do I get this variable? Angle of initial rotation. Nope. There is a bit of a latency. You might have to specify what you mean nope to. Player dot angle of initial rotation equals 138. Why is that character there? Oh, wait, what's happening? Well, what happened? I saw something pop up on my screen for like a split second there. I like Snow and Forest as well. Also subscribe. Watch how well it goes for you. Oh, thank you. I think that might have been what it was. I have no way. I have a way of checking. No, I don't. I'm a horrible streamer. I have no way of checking if anyone subscribed. But I think you did. So, yay! Thank you. My phone's turning off. I can't see the chat. Okay, there we go. The note was for the question, is my stream down? Oh, okay. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, this is a really messy setup. Because, I'm not very organized. Partially. But yeah, this should mean that, like, I can... Oh, it's buffering again. That's great. I'm just gonna assume that my stream's not down. And just playtest this specific bit of the game. I might have broken something. Hmm. Access to property global. Oh, did I not set? Oh, I didn't. Okay. Spawn A. Is that? Okay, I'm just gonna set it here. Spawn A and spawn B. So now if I play this level, there we go. Set it up on OBS. Looking good. All right. So now if I spawn here, then I walk all the way over there. Oh, all the way over to there. And this is real fast, real speedy, real top-notch zippy. It should fade out. There we go. As it should. Nudge this. Blammo. That's good. Walk back out. Ignore the lack of trees. Hold on. Did it spawn me in position A? Spawn back out. Spawn back in. Oh, no. Okay. I know what's happening. So, oh, my stream is delayed by a couple of seconds. Hopefully that... Is it frozen? Whatever, I'll ignore it for a couple of seconds. My mouse isn't moving. Wait, no, it is frozen. I'll restart it on my phone. I will restart it on my phone. English. Oh, my phone's disconnected from the Wi-Fi. Wow, isn't that great? Absolute peak. There we go. It's back. Okay. Whew. So, it is spawning in the correct location, I think. But what it's not doing is it's not... Because there's a collider that takes you to the mine. But it's basically like... here's what I'll check. if it's player, and if you're not going back, if men are going back is false, therefore now you should be able to go over there, and because you're currently not going back, you should be allowed to like get to go complete. I'm trying to word the sentence. You should be allowed to go there, get into that level, get back out, and not have to respawn. Wording is not wording. Okay. I can't go back. Okay, good. I have to knock this over. Go. Oh no, I've done something really bad. Oh shoot. Crikey. Spawn over here. Yay! Can you go back here? No. Oh. Oh, it's fine. My stream actually might have crashed. I have... no, I was. I was not looking at the game when I was, doing that. Or the software. My phone and my computer are telling me two different things. Also, I realized I didn't set up a collider here, so you can't get back. Which is interesting, okay. I'm making massive amounts of progress. I'm just gonna quickly refresh this page. Huh? I'm sure that's fine. Is this correct? Is it not? It's fine. Alrighty. Alright, so that's a bit of progress. I need the dialogue system. Kind of. I need the subtitle system. I need some kind of objective system. Because the player's not going to immediately just know what to do. So I need to, like, have a way of, like, being like, oh, wow, I need to do this now. Very pointedly at the player. So... I've never even done something like that before. Because it's gotta be to the player. It's gotta be in here. Like a text box down here. Or like a little subtitle-esque dialogue. I think I can just put a single label down there. And just put it here. I should probably name my labels. This is my FPS counter. This is my development build notice. And this is my dialogue system. That's not how you spell dialogue. Eh. That's not my dialogue system either. That's fine. Let's see. I want to write like some brain rot shit, but like I also want to write something proper, so I'm just gonna write like no. No. I'm gonna write insert some text here, you dumbass. There you go. I don't want to make it transparent. I just want to modulate it so it's like a little bit transparent. Yeah. The font needs to be less rigid. So I'm probably gonna look for like. Because here's the thing, system fonts will only work in the system. I need to like download fonts. For now though, I'm gonna use a system font. And in Linux, it's gonna be difficult to find some cursive. Oh shit! Speak of the devil. Okay, that's a little bit too cursive. I mean, like lightly curved, like this. Perfect. Okay. Um, that looks good. Constants, line spacing, colors. Right, I need to move it up a little bit. So now, I can take this dialogue system and basically hook it up to the player character as an export variable. Actually, as an unready variable. Dialogue system. That's how you spell dialogue system. And I should probably fix that before my brain catches up to me. And now this doesn't work. Alright, so now the dialogue system's hooked up. I can basically say, at a different stage of the game, do this. So let's say, I don't even know. Because it's going to have a duration. So I'm pretty sure I'm going to set up a match system. In the physics process? No. Yeah. The poor physics process, bro. The physics process is going to have like so many stuff happening. I'm going to have match main dot text progression. So basically, it's going to have a variable called text projection progression, which is an integer, and basically, if that's something like 0, there's no text. So we're just going to put like blank. But if it's something like 1, you're going to need some text. And I think, oh, match. I need to actually set it. So I need to set the dialogue system dot text equals blank. And it does equal 0. If I want it to equal 1, what should the first one be? So you're walking up, this the brain come back. You're walking up the path to your campsite. I need to go exploring. Dialogue system dot text. I should go and explore the place a little. Hopefully that makes me realize it's temporary. But yes, so now, in the main tree, once I approached, well, when I'm in the campsite area, and I've approached this bit, and I'm looking around, I'm like, I should go explore the place a little. And to trigger that, I'm going to use the area, collision, shape, cylinder, gizmo. Make it a very tall and very wide cylinder. Particularly enveloping like this specific area. I don't know, I just blanked out. There's like a whole ass film being watched in the room behind me. I don't know why I said whole ass. As if someone's gonna watch like a quarter film. For no reason. For no good reason. Okay, so now if they enter that area, I'm gonna call dialogue trigger 1, D trigger 1. That sounds weird. Body entered. Connect. If body dot is in group player. How do you even here player? What group is it in? I've never actually player. I say I've never, even though I made the game. Yes, I've never in my life seen my own game. Dot text progression 1. Now it becomes that, but it's temporary, right? So I have to await get tree tree dot create timer for 1 second dot time. Oh shit. Dot timeout, and then the dialog system dot text equals blank again. So I press play, and I go, where? Oh, the frames per second text wasn't actually a thing. Of course it wasn't. And that should be it. Let's try again. Bam, okay. So now I'm walking around here. I'm like, wow. Snow. Wow, ground. What is this I see? I'm frozen in mid. Oh no. I should help. I'm teleporting. Oh my god, what's happening? Alright, every time I enter the trigger, it's gonna do this again and again and again. It's gonna set it for exactly 1 second. Apparently. I should go explore the place a little. It says when I've whoa, what's happening? Oh my god. Help. I broke something. I broke something bad. How? What? I guess it is running in the physics process. So it's stopping all physics. I want it to run sometimes. I need to run on a separate thread. How do you get things to run on a separate thread? I know there's a way to do it. I'm small brain. There you go. No, run. Press the background thread. Godot. Background function. Is it for function? Huh. Okay, so that explains something, but it didn't explain what I need, and you guys saw none of that. I'm so stupid. I didn't show a single thing. I'm gonna continue to do that. Background task. I need to use multiple threads. Just please. I would like to access one of the background threads and have it run that dialogue system. The entire dialogue system. It's gonna run one thread. If you have a bad computer, you're actually not done. There's not a difficult thing to run. I'm Googling, by the way. If anyone's wondering why nothing's happening on the screen. I'm Googling some I can't figure it out. I'm just gonna wing it. Okay. So what am I gonna do? I don't want to stop this entire system. Saying await is just gonna freeze everything. I guess that has a function. Yeah, because then nothing has to wait for it. Yeah, sure, I'll do it. So I have a function. Wait a sec. Duration. Float. So what I wanted to do is I want to add child timer. I set a variable, so b equals add child timer, variable b equals add child timer, and oh, and if b dot timeout, if b dot equals time, what? I'm tripping. Return true. I can't set return to be true. Return true. Just return. Go back. Can return void. Get tree dot add child? I don't want to get tree dot add child. Wait a second. My confusion just gets worse. I have okay. So okay, let's see something here. Timer.new, then add child timer. That's what I was missing. That's what I was tripping on. You need a new timer to add child timer. Right? Timer. Nope. Timer. No, not time. Timer. Dot new. Then you can add child b. And then b.timeout equals return false. No, return true. Return true. Yeah. So now I can do an if. Wait a sec. For one. Wait a sec. One. Right? Because it's not awaiting anything. I might be tripping. This is in the beginning, so I can play the game. I might be absolutely tripping nutsacks. I might be fondling nutsacks on this one. I'm in, and YouTube got an error. This didn't work. This is not displaying the right thing. But YouTube had just immediately got an error right on time. What's this YouTube error? YouTube is not receiving enough video to maintain smooth streaming. Holy crap, you're right. I have my bitrate is like word for bad. That's what my bitrate is. Holy. Okay, it's back. But I dropped a lot of frames. That little section might have been really laggy. Back to what I'm doing here. If, wait a sec, 1. I didn't actually use a duration. Timer.new b.duration. What's that? Time. I need to actually look at a timer for a second. Give me a sec. Timer. Wait time. That's what it's called. Wait time equal duration. And then b.start. No, don't start b yet. Add it to the tree. Then b.start. Now I know how it works. I totally understand. My brain is it's still having the error. Do I still have the... What's happening? It has enough bitrate. I hope. Tell me if it's not enough bitrate. Hopefully it is. I'm praying that it is. Still praying. Oh, it says excellent now. That's fine. I'm in. It's not showing. It started, and then on timeout return true. You enter the bit, the thing, the place. Manual text expression is 1, and when it is 1, it says this. Then if you wait a sec, so just do wait a sec. What's it called? What's the function called? Yeah, wait a sec. Oh wait, was it not? No, it was connected. Duration 1. It would make a new timer. Set the wait time to be the duration, which would be 1 second. Add it as a child. Start. And then if true, which is timeout, return true. Oh. If... Wait a sec. I'm gonna make it last for 1, 2... I'm gonna make it last for 3 seconds and just do it for everything for now. Just to make sure that it works. Because I don't even know if it works yet. Oh, I realize it every single time it goes through this, it'll keep resetting the timer. And it'll keep making more and more timers. I'm stupid. I am not braining. So what I should be doing is on this, you start a timer. And then... Yeah, on this, we actually have a physical timer. And it'll start the timer. Okay, I'll have a timer. Dialogue. Duration. Right. It'll be an export variable because I can. D time. Timer. So now I can set this to be this and then this and this. So now it's a duration timer. And now basically it'll start. So basically d time dot wait time equals 3 in this case, and then d time start. And then on timeout for d time, it'll hook itself up to the player, and then basically the dialogue system dot text equals blank. It should blank out the text. So now if I go through and I just go, I should go explore the place a little. 2, 3, and please disappear. Please, for the love of God, disappear. That's not disappearing. 1, 2, 3. Maybe if I leave the spot, this should be the outside the radius. Yep. 1, 2, 3. Nope. Okay. Some of it was correct, some of it was not. So if I set the wait time up Oh, it'll automatically restart. Okay, so we don't want that. If I do this again, try this again. Dialog system, yep. I'm just double checking variables on the side of my screen. Okay, I should go and explore the place a little. 1, 2, 3. This isn't looking very good. How long is this going for? Alright. So, wait time 3.0 to make sure that it's like a second kind of thing. Because a 3-second timer. Pop, pop. Idle physics outliner. On dialectation. Timeout. Dial system no text. Blank out. Blank out. Maybe I put a space in here. I'm really pushing it. And a little wait time. Start. I should start debugging this using actual debugging techniques, but like, I want to try and avoid those little. I should go and explore the place a little. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ah, okay, fine. It's still there. Okay. I can do like a... No, because again, this is on the match system. It's just gonna run through this and double check this every time. Oh! I should have a variable. On this part of the computer, part of the game, called player text progression. So basically, for this one, we set the player progression equals 1, and we need it to be 0 so it can progress. So basically, we can say if player text progression is 0, you can do this. If it's equal to 0, but it won't be 0 the second time. So you won't be able to loop it over and over and over again. So that means once it goes, it won't come back. Hopefully. Hopefully that's what it means. A sec. There you go. Ba, 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 ba. My room's getting darker. How long have I been streaming for? Oh, I should go explore the place a little. 1. Oh, it's gone! Holy! Yes! Finally! That was the most complicated thing I've ever done in my life. Ever. Right, that's nice and glowy. The text boxes are quick to disappear. Something I should probably fix. Make it like 5 seconds or something. Maybe. I'd say 5 seconds is pretty good. But yeah, now I can just have more text, just add it on and on. So you keep going. You don't need text in the walking area, because I don't know, you just don't. But in the mine entrance area, after you've done this, like committed the absolute crime that is playing the minecart rolling animation, you should probably set it player. Do I have player? Oh, main. Sorry, main. Dot text progression equals 2. 2. And basically, if it's 2, if player text progression equals 1, dialog system dot text equals nope. Oh shit! I should get out of here. I should get out of here. And the glorious temporary tag. Then dtime dot wait time equals 3. Need me for dtime dot start and player text progression equals 2. So now you should be able to play the game and it should work. It took me too long to make the game playable. But yeah, you're like, oh, what am I doing here? I should go and explore the place a little. That font is not staying. I said the first chance I get to replace that font, I'm replacing that font. Oh no. Ooh. At least it disappears. But I think every time it restarts, it resets that variable. I might have to hook it up to the main so it doesn't change throughout the gameplay. Because the player keeps getting reloaded. Still, I should be able to go here. No, you shouldn't. Okay. Nudge. Oh shit! I should get out of here. Oh, I should add the trees back. Oh no. Okay. So I should set up a ready system to clear the text. But that might cause more issues. I'll handle that when it comes to it. Gotta leave. There's no hitbox here yet. Okay, that's another thing I need to add. I also want to make sure that if you on ready, you can't have text. You just can't. The text, the dialog system dot text, just automatically blanks out. Another thing, hold up, BRB real quick. Jump scare. Sorry, that might have actually been kind of scary. But I'm back. Okay, that's fine. So, now the text shouldn't show up when you start up. And now I need to add the walking to mine, walking back from mine collision thing. Right here. So I should take this area, area body 3D, area 3D, add to campsite, add a collision body, collision shape, add I like the cylinder just because it adds more even. Oh shoot. Oh crap. Oh hell no. We're here. Right there. Right there. Okay. Collision shape. Make it pretty tall, pretty large. So if you do, you know, decide to be a little funny and like travel off in this direction, you shouldn't be able to like, you know, skip this area. And on the trigger, on the trigger being triggered, Body entered. Connect. It'll be similar to this. It'll be like a copy and paste of this actually. And instead of walking to mine, it'll just be the campsite. Campsite world. What? No. Campsite world. There you go. What? Huh? Okay. So now, tis works. Tis just works. Hopefully. Should be able to walk. Nope! Because then you're gonna spawn and struggle. Right. So, if main dot going back is true, if you're going back, then you can. And before you do that, you have to emit signal. Play fade out. Then await dot get true. Create timer. I'm about to sneeze. Dot timeout. This should work. Should is a strong word. Okay, so now you have a very basic dialogue system with some very temporary dialogue, but the system should work. Just gonna explore the place a little. Camera shake would be real nice, but that's going to be a post feature further in the timeline. This looks pretty good. I love like the little sun rays, and I hope you should see. Yeah, I love the AV1 compression, by the way. AV1 compression, AV1 codec. It's looking way better quality than like previous codecs, especially on my Australian Wi-Fi. Like, holy shit, the difference is immaculate. Either way, we're gonna go through here. Fade out, fade in. I should go explore the place a little. Bump. Oh shit, I should get out of here. Brr. Whoomp. What happened? I've never been so confused. What happened? I'm back here now. What happened? Huh? Am I tripping? To campsite is the collision box over here. Player spawn B here. You spawn in the 2 mine area. To campsite world. If you... It's just a 2 campsite. This is just a die. And this is just a 2 mine. If you enter this in the group player, fade out. How did that happen? Does that mean I spawned over here? Maybe I should put the player character like here, outside of any collisions. And then just like let the spawn points handle the spawning. Because I'm a little confused. I'm going to start it here. Okay. Again, ignore the lack of foliage. Foliage? Foliage? Don't worry about it. Explosion. Fade out. Fade. This is correct. I feel very slow. This is correct. It shouldn't be slow though. Yeah, that's fine. I'll add enough stuff here for you to feel like you can just like sit around and admire shit. Now if I get over here, blam. You will spawn here for now, but you know, that's not too big of a deal. Also, I've been streaming for 1.5 hours now, which is quite a bit. So, well, yeah, well, not compared to my usual streams, but like, you know, because it's school days. So, unfortunately for me, I'm probably gonna go and chill and relax, and I'll stream again some point. I might also play a game with a friend. I'm planning on doing that. There's a bug in my room, so I gotta go kill it. Life is good. Alright. If you like the stream, like the stream. If you dislike the stream, dislike the stream. Whatever. Hope you enjoyed. Have a great day. I did a little streaming. Yay, bye-bye.